Hi all, good morning and welcome to market opening report of Zebu school. So where exactly market is? So as expected from yesterday's view, so here gap up and like even I was actually uh, thinking like 9:30 could be the resistance, but even market opened above that and within first 15 minutes it has cleared this and now staying around this one, so 5970. So for the day 140 points up. And Bank Nifty is exactly trading around the resistance zone, but only thing is slightly trading above my expectation 34,250, and VIX is actually almost flat. So even if you look at this kind of rally, generally it should be 5 to 6%. Okay, so considering all these things, at least VIX is not positive. So that is the one good thing about volatility. So from here on, what could happen? So my expectation is simple. So even I am not going to long here. Okay, I am not looking for long here. So next key level I said is 16,180. Okay, in between we have 1650 to 1680, and so now market is this way. So on rise of another 30 to 40 points, so around 16,000. If I get 16,000 to 16,040, if at all, if I am going to get it today, then my choice will be like, if you look at lower time frame chart, it is actually quite extended, and most probably like indicators are oversold, but only overbought, but not for that reason I am going to look for a selling opportunity. I am going to look for key reversal zones, and even if you look for harmonic patterns around the zone, you may get it what I am talking about. So what I feel is, if this bullishness is going to continue for the day, then I think I am preparing myself for trying to short around this level with stop loss with this level, because once this is cleared, then obviously it has to go here. Okay, because this is the key level which will decide the medium term trend. So Bank Nifty also, like if you are looking for 34,200 to 300 level, so that is a key resistance level. But only thing is 34,600, if you can hold onto your trade, because this is the key level. So I expect even if this breaks, it is going to take some kind of pause, and then this structure has to come to a median in terms of some kind of equilibrium, what is I am expecting. But only thing is, yes, as I always said, look on option data. So market is rising. Okay, mostly all the calls were slightly winding, so look for that winding to stop, then you can think about shorting. Otherwise, as a kind of newbie or an amateur trader, don't look upon sell on rise unless and until you have a clear risk management in position. Because I think from 15,830 I slightly added my shots. Okay, here I have tightened my risk, and moreover, like I wanted to add little more shots only at this zone. Okay, only because I am trading through strategies, so for me it is a no issue, because I generally trade with a fixed risk, and even when the view is getting wrong, even I reduce my risk. So with that in mind, I think this is the update what I have, and even we don't have what is the reason for market to go up. Only thing was whatever the uncertainty cloud which was surrounded in the market is slowly coming out. That is the maybe the reason. Like last Friday we were looked around 15,500. Remember, this is the place we gone long, but even I was expecting somewhere around 800 to pass, but it is still further going beyond another 150 points. But only thing is, I expect somewhere around here some kind of pass in the market. I am trying to anticipate that through strategies. Okay, so if you look for whether I am a contra trader or I am a kind of always sell on rise trader, you can just look at the old videos and try to identify whenever my risk and reward is closer. That is when I will be jumping into trade, that too through strategies alone. So not a kind of blind future trade or just by selling a call with an open risk. I don't do that. Only thing is, try to build the strategies and try to negotiate the risk when strategies are moving towards the loss direction. That means when the BEP is getting crossed, try to tighten your loss. So that is the key level or the key action you need to take in case you wanted to survive. So from my side, very simple. So what I expect is, so going long might not favor here. When we were long at Friday, so even I said next 4 to 5 days there could be a small bounce, and July could be the month of slight relief, because last 2 months we were under pressure. So what I was expecting is, I was expecting even I was expecting till here, but only above this my entire medium term structure of this sell and rise will change. So let's wait and watch. And again, today is a Fin Nifty expiry. Anything can happen. See, it can again go another 100 point up also. So I am not saying from here it has to come down. So ensure that your risk is in control and your risk to reward, and you are trying to enter closer to the favorable risk reward. Then you might have a good. So what I expect is, so even if the market is going to go up, so I am looking for this level to initiate my shots. Okay, if at all if you are entering this level, then this is the key level for your shots. And also note down, today is the Fin Nifty expiry, so anything can happen. Not only the down move, can also in the upside some kind of volatility burst will happen because of the Fin Nifty expiry. So most of the Fin Nifty expiry are part of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty supposed to react violently. On which direction we are not sure about it. So any move can be little big. So please take care and do join us for the post market report to summarize and analyze what has happened today and what could be happening for next 2 to 3 days around 3:40 to 4 p.m. So till then, signing off, Damodharan.